What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got some gearhead TicToks for you guys today. We're going to start out with some car stuff and finish it off with some off-road motocross stuff. Went through TikTok, found some interesting and funny stuff. Let me know down in the comments below what you think's funny. And if you don't think it's funny, throw the comments down there. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on other content. And go through the channel. There's lots of builds videos, ride videos, and all kinds of stuff on the channel. Off-road related, mechanic related. Check it all out. Appreciate the views. Let's get into this. Start out with a little turbo TikTok.
Look, check this thing out. It spins back and forth like your fucking attitude.
Apparently, if you show up on someone's For You page, that means you two are similar. So I'm gonna guess what our similarity is. My best guess is that you're also a degenerate.
How many degenerates are out there? Let me know down in the comments. Who considers themselves a degenerate? I'm Generation X. I'm definitely a degenerate. Yippers. Most definite. Plus, I like hot rods and sport bikes and off-road stuff, so yeah, definitely not part of the norm. Oh.
How are you?
I feel this one. Anybody that's got a carbureted bike with a freaking fuel pump on it, yeah, you're gonna feel this one, that's for sure.
How are you? I'm under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
I don't know how to drive them.
And for all you mud guys,
I just wait for it to go. And then I hit the stick. Just stick.
oh. 4-cylinder versus V8. Yeah. Oh, the horsepower battle. You can get 1,000 horsepower out of a 4-cylinder. You can get 1,000 horsepower out of a V8. It's all in how much money you want to shovel into it. This is just
That's
funny.
cute. Where's the other half of your engine?
I can see so many people doing this.
You only have 4 cylinders, dog.
There's more?
There's a lot more.
You're saying that like there's something wrong with this car.
There is. Like I said, it only has half an engine.
Nah, listen to this.
It's a 4-cylinder. Oh, it's so cute.
It's better than that.
Dude, like I said before, this car sounds really cute.
Vumba,
You need
Vumba.
yourself one of those.
What's so special about this one?
This one has 8 cylinders.
8?
That's right. 8.
That's massive.
Now, come on,
my son.
4-cylinder versus a Corvette. They're not even on the same playing field. Boomba.
What's wrong?
I think my balls. No. I want to look at this a little longer.
Boogie down, everybody. Boogie down. Oh, poor cop. It blasted the cop. Ah, Moto stuff. Here we go. Probably a 450. Sounds like a 450. That's for sure. Ripping. Oh. No. Those landings of wheelies or front wheelies are insane. Or the back wheelies. Jeez. That's fucking flat out skills right there. Insane. Insane in the membrane. Damn it. That's just beautiful. Didn't crash, it got off the frickin' track. Got out the way. That's just neat. Those side-by-side freestyle jumps are so cool. You get such cool shots. What's with the mats? Why? And we'll finish it up with a little husky action.